So how do you show your iPad screen on videos? Let's get started. So if you are new to the Foxtecc channel, make sure you are subscribed to it and therefore you won't miss anything important. So what you need is a screen recording feature. So anyone you happen to be on your iPad, swipe down to access the control center and look for the screen recording button. If you don't have it, tap on the plus, then click on add a control. And from the options which appear, just add the screen recording to your control center. Now, anytime you want to enable it, you just tap on it. A little countdown is going to begin, so you wait the 3, 2, 1, and then your screen is being captured. So you can do whatever you want, like you can demonstrate some things, like show some settings or notes or whatever it might be. You do your thing, and then you tap on the screen recording button again to just stop it, right? So you confirm it again, you stop it, and then the video will be saved in your gallery. So you go to the Photos app then, and the video will be there alongside all of your other photos and videos. And with this file, you can do essentially whatever you need. You can share it with others, or you can customize it further. Like you can tap on edit and perhaps mute it, or just shorten it down, like crop it, zoom it in, apply some filters, do whatever you need to end up with a file that you need. And with that, perhaps you can upload it to social media, or as I said, just share it with other over the internet or however you decide. So that's it. If you have something like very specific that you want to ask, let me know about that below in the comments, but I would just wrap up the video. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope I get to see you later in the next tutorials as well.